Welcome to the unboxing of the 11-inch M4 iPad Pro. Now, I know you've probably seen this video before, but I also know you haven't seen mine. So here we go. So here we are with the M4 11-inch iPad Pro, the 256 gig variant, and this is the unboxing experience. So as usual, just turn it over and then tear this and this, and then turn it over and lift the top part. Might need a little shake. So here's the iPad. Extremely thin, but we'll get to that later. What else comes in the box? We have your document, your paperwork. So I've read that there are no stickers available. So just this documentation, no stickers. And then you have this braided Type-C to Type-C cable. And a charging brick. Who would have guessed? There you go. So this, I've read that is a 20-watt charging brick. Yeah, that information is kind of hidden in this groove. It says 20 watts in here. And I'm just glad that they made this portable, at least for the East Africa version. You can just close that and it's easy to pack, right? So I'll just get all this stuff out of the way. So there's nothing else that comes in the box, that's all, right? So here's the iPad. Among the thinnest iPads ever produced. Probably the thinnest Apple devices ever produced. And that is as fingerprint free as you'll ever see this iPad. So there you go. It's extremely thin. We have, this is the part where you put in or you put your Apple Pencil or Apple Pencil Pro. Then you have the very tactile volume rockers, microphone here. You have these antenna bands. You have these connectors for the folio case. Okay, so that's the back of the iPad. I got the gray version, so this looks really stunning. And then you have the single camera and a LiDAR sensor and the LED flash. All right, so that's basically it. That's the unboxing experience of the new M4 11-inch iPad Pro. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.